If you were Igbo,
With another person,
I would have detained you,
just
a police officer said, during a regular stop and search along legal Benin Expressway. Wow, you can't believe it. In a country that they call their own. Apparently, the police officer was trying to demand a bribe from the motorist. And when he was not forthcoming with the bribe, he made that discriminatory remark, targeting and profiling and targeting the Igbos.
I'm doing that, yes. Yes. I'm living in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
I'll do better than
I don't have anything out. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why we're with another person, or Igbo or that person. I'm just
I don't get anything. That's
you heard him right.
You
heard him said it.
What can I do now?
Explicitly. No
what can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now?
This is the kind of reminder that makes the
check my driving license, check my documents. So make I do that. So make I do that now. You are with my driving license now.
Even before the Civil War.
The way be of the invoice.
Yeah, even the Civil War.
Huh? No, don't worry. Okay. The way be of.
Are you
the Igbos
telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No.
And after the Civil
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those loads came with the car.
That's why I requested for
any forms, any way you can think of.
But is it, so is it supposed to be leased one after the all those custom papers?
Yes.
Federal
really?
What are federal character?
Okay. So do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you.
Was
let you know, I'm
that
recording you right now. So, can I have my driving license? So, check your paper and then let's go.
You can imagine living in a country like this.
Okay. Don't shout, living. I'm going on record. But I've already told you, you have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any. I haven't committed any offense.
Online shows that these four police are known that they are notorious at this particular spot extorting money, mostly from the Igbo communities. So, ethnic profiling of the Igbos in Nigeria started, like I said, deeply ever since after the war. And the aftermath of the Civil War has left a deep mark on the Igbo as people. Struck tribal remarks from a police officer is totally unacceptable. It is unprofessional and unacceptable.